Good morning, everybody. We're still here. We didn't get washed away or anything like that. We did get a pretty good rain yesterday, though, just a soaking type, light soaking type rain. And here comes security. So I have a new security guard now. Hey, do you bring coffee too?
Once in a while.
Excuse me. So, what else? We're still under fire restrictions. Coconino opened theirs up yesterday, so we're still under the stage 2, and they're going to talk about it on Monday to see if they can lift them or not. He went on his rounds. Garçon?
Yes, sir.
Coffee, please. Thank you, sir.
Slightly.
Hey, forgot something? Oh, seagulls. So, anyway, we got some aliens that came in last night. I smelled the campfire. I don't know if it was them or not, but I haven't seen anybody over there today. They're just really quiet, so that's okay.
Well, you know what? They may have just brought their rig out here and parked it for the...
Do what?
They might have just brought their rig out here and parked it until the weekend.
Oh, could be, yeah.
'Cause you know they do that.
It very well could be. So, I was reading on the internet this morning where they were smelling smoke over in the town that we're close to. And so that was the question, did they lift the fire restrictions? Well, no, they didn't. So I guess we have somebody around that doesn't know that there's restrictions, I guess. I don't know.
How could you miss it?
I have no idea. They drive down the road this way.
I guess.
So we're going to hang out here. I got jury duty of all things on August 17th. I got to be back there to show up. I think I said that before, didn't I, on the other video?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what else?
Oh, you know, after I got here yesterday, it was like deja vu. Same stuff, different day. Those two-wheeler ATVs up and down the road.
Yep. I don't know why they do that. They stand up right around.
And then that one character over the hump there. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Yeah, he just kept revving it up. Sounded like he didn't go anywhere.
No, he didn't ever go anywhere.
Just doesn't take much to amuse some people, I guess.
I guess not. Jeez.
So Richard, I think he's kind of a new viewer. I think I don't recognize his name, but he was saying that the reason that we get so many aliens around here is because they love garlic and onions, and they smell that, and it makes they go nuts. Their behavior changes and everything. So we got to keep our garlic and onions hid. Was he saying something about I was talking about bees and flies yesterday. He was saying that the aliens use the bees and flies for protein.
Yeah.
And then they use
Put them in a large pan. I remember reading that. He was talking about one of those.
They cook them all up and put the onions and garlic on them. And
yeah.
Nah, that don't even sound good, does it? Yuck.
Ugh.
So,
I don't know. What are we going to do? You know, let's see, it was buzz, 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 buzz. It was supposed to come down torrential rains this,
yeah.
Supposed to start about.
Supposed to be about 10 o'clock. We're supposed to get thunderstorms and then 80% high, heavy rain, and they said that yesterday too. You know.
Well, they've missed it by half an hour anyway. We did get some sprinkles though. I mean, we could hear that on the awning on the trailer. So.
Yeah. It was just kind of a light, soaking type,
Yeah.
which is good. That's the good kind. You know, if it rains too heavy, it all washes away and you know, makes a big mess. And if we get the light soaking type, that'll get in the ground and help with the fire stuff. I think we had 90% humidity at 5 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. My weather station over there said 99% humidity. I believe it.
Yeah. We'd be swimming.
Yeah. Well, anyway, it says 11 o'clock, we're down to 25% now.
As
12,
far as
rain.
oh, yeah, it's
What
almost
else?
kind of sunny. You can see shadows and everything. So.
Yeah. 12 o'clock, we're at 55. 1 o'clock, 65. So maybe around 1 o'clock.
The solar panels are loving it right now.
Yeah.
So I want to tell you, Alan got one of those WeBoost. Which one was it?
The sleek
Yeah, the
drive.
sleek one.
Sleek drive.
Sleek model. And we hooked it up this morning, and he went from about 1 bar to 4 bars.
Yeah.
Almost instantaneously. So they work.
Yeah.
At least the two that we got did.
Yeah. Yeah.
So back a few weeks ago, I did a review on that one where it showed the actual connection rather than just the bars.
Yeah.
So without it, I was getting like minus 125 or something like that. With it, it was minus 90. So they figured 95 is a good connection. So,
Yeah. Well, and you know.
so, and you could do that on yours too. I'll show you how to do that.
Yeah. You
Check
could,
it.
you said you got yours at Amazon, or?
Yeah.
And I got mine at Walmart.
Well, actually, I got mine at Walmart, but it's on my Amazon
On your Amazon link.
influencer page. Yeah.
Yeah.
The link's in the bottom.
Yeah. Use his link, you know. Not going to cost you anymore.
Yeah.
But he might get a couple bucks.
Same price. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
prices, it's just like Amazon,
It's
only better.
Yeah.
So
It's a small little commission that I get.
yeah. So like I say, it don't cost you anything, but dear John here might make a couple bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, it'll take you to a landing page, and there's a bunch of stuff on there you can look at. And if there's not something that you want to look at, then you go back up to the search box at the top and type in what you're looking for, and it'll take you to the regular Amazon stuff.
Now is that link only on your web page?
Yeah, it's on the YouTube at the bottom, and then on my website, my personal website's there. And that
So-
link's in the bottom, too.
So the link that will be on this video is current and up to date, and because you know the problems that we were having with mine.
Yeah.
So it's current and up to date, no?
Yep.
All right, good.
Yep. Yeah, the web page is a little bit iffy. I just haven't kept up with it, you know.
Well,
But if there's also a Walmart link there at the top, a button that says Walmart, you can go there and buy things from Walmart. You know, whatever. Go in the search bar, the same thing.
Yeah.
Type in what you want. So, I don't know. What else do you got? You got something else?
well, no, I guess not.
I can't.
Oh, you didn't tell. I know that we saw that in the video that you did yesterday, your little tent over there.
The tent, yeah.
But have you
Wilson's.
ever told him about that?
Yeah, Wilson's tent. Yeah, I
Yeah?
told him last year, I guess it was.
Oh, well.
I bought Wilson a tent. He can't see it now, but I decided that he didn't need it. You know, a little water ain't gonna hurt him, but probably help him.
Yeah.
But so I put the generator in there when it's raining to keep the generator dry.
It's a neat idea.
So I can take a picture of that, huh?
That's a neat idea.
Yeah,
You say it only
yeah.
costs you $11 or $12.
Pardon me?
It was only $11 or $12.
Yeah, 11, 12 bucks, something like that. Wasn't very much.
Now I'm thinking about going to get one myself. Because
Yeah, it's keeps them dry, and it's got exhaust things on all sides.
yeah, that's neat. I like that.
Yeah. The tent itself says it takes 5 minutes to set up. It took me 10 minutes.
Yeah. Tell them about what you did.
Huh?
About sticking the one thing in one side.
Well, it's got fiberglass poles on it, and you bend them over like that, and you put one in the ground on this side, and then you walk around and you bend this one down and put that one in the ground. But every time I would bend it and put it in the ground, this side would pop back up.
He did that before I got here, but I could just imagine what that looked like.
That didn't really happen, folks.
Well, doggone it. Took the fun out of that joke. You took the fun out of that joke. I thought you were serious.
Now Gavin would jump all over that.
Yeah?
So I guess that's about it.
Oh.
I can't think of anything else. Only that we're sitting here waiting for fire restrictions. Somebody said this morning, you ain't camping till you got a fire.
That's right. Yeah.
So I guess we're not camping, we're just hanging out.
Yeah. For the moment.
Yep.
Being hopeful.
Huh?
Being hopeful.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
I guess that's it.
Sounds like a plan.
Talk to you later.
All right.
Oh, I got to do this one too. If you like this video.
There you go. There you go.
If you want to see more other videos like this, be sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. And the thumbs up and the comments, we really appreciate all those.
And another thing, this is John's video, so it's important that if you do like his videos, to share them.
Oh yeah.
And use that Walmart link.
Use the Walmart?
Use the Walmart link. And I guess if you can't find it at Walmart, then use the Amazon link. And
Either one.
you know, John's too shy to say this himself, so I'll say it for him. You know, click on those links. It helps him out. And it doesn't cost you a dime more.
Okay.
There you go, John.
Thank you.
All right.
Now I got to give him $5.
Nah. That saves me from having to use your link.
See? Method to his madness.
No.
Okay.